twilight. A tiny window when perhaps you can unpack, set up without the Russian drones that are always, always above, seeing you as clearly. Like so much in this fast-changing war, their task was unimaginable when Moscow invaded. Their target is on the horizon, Russia itself, into which they fly and plant mines on key roads. They wait for dark.
Those lights twinkling over there on the horizon, that's Belgorod, Russia. How close they're operating towards Russian mainland.
Putin's latest offensive towards Kharkiv has made the fight personal for Artyom. His parents live about a 5-minute drive away, and fighting for his literal home is unsettling.
Волнительно, на самом-то деле. Они, 1,5 года не знали вообще, что я в боевой бригаде, что я под Бахмутом воюю. Я рассказывал, что на блокпосты охраняю.
And now, for the first of many times, their only defence is to listen for drones.
Назад. Орлан летит. Прям над нами летит. Кто? Орлан.
It passes. Now it is dark, they must hurry.
Спокойно.
Russian drones have thermal cameras. They hear another.
Тихо. Лети. No lights.
Battles raging nearby may help them go unnoticed. They resume. Any strike could also ignite the 2 mines they're fitting. But they hear another drone.
Бегом. Не даст нормально поработать, тварь. Ты сейчас...
Such an escalation over 2 years into the war. To now see Ukrainians flying drones of explosive straight into Russia.
Inside, Sasha watches it cross the border.
Ось що кордон проходить.
Ти паспорт взяв з собою?
У мене безвіз.